the affidavit itself basically is being subject to a credibility test as well. As an example, which is the most important example, yung po mga larawan na nandun, may sinasabi sila ron na si John Paul Estrada po yung nakalagay pong litrato doon. But I think yung publicly available pictures of John Paul Estrada would show that that guy in that picture, in that affidavit, is absolutely not Paul Estrada. So doon pa lang absolutely incredible. Zero credibility yung pong affidavit po nung pong mga former dishonorably charged Marines. So kumbaga, I don't think the House Committee on Justice should provide a platform for this incredible document to be given light by the committee.